Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nura Anifaja binti Mustafa, 2019 583 563 from AAP 1114C. I will present final project a case study in Taman Lagenda Melaka. For the table of content of this case study is 1.0 Introduction, 2.0 Design ER diagram, 3.0 Delineation of the boundary for the selected case study, 4.0 Build Against Database, 5.0 GIS Geospatial Analysis, and 6.0 is Conclusion. First is Introduction. In this final project, it's required to build a GIS database from area of case study. For my study is at Taman Legenda Melaka Tengah, Melaka, which is the zoning of business center. Moreover, in this project, I performed that required geospatial analysis in map info setting, such as automatic mappings and analysis of queries. For the aim is to build a GIS database in business center and area of study. The objective is to identify data entities, spatial data, to design ER diagram for the database, to conduct GIS geospatial analysis in case study. The scope study is Geographic Information System is a data collection management and analysis framework. GIS root in geographic science incorporate several types of data. It analyzes spatial position and use map and 3D scenes to organize layers of information into visualization. GIS reveals deeper insights into data with these specific features such as trends, relationships, and circumstances, helping users make better decisions. Design ER diagram. It has three types of model. First is conceptual model. The conceptual model is the cornerstone of the architecture of the spatial data model, which is used to specify certain principles for describing spatial data attributes. Second is logical model. The data is represented in as much detail as possible by a logical data model. Logical data model features include all the entities and the interaction between them, defining all the attributes for each entity and specifying the primary key for each entity. Third is physical model. It represents how the model will debut in the database. It shows all the table structure, including the attribute name, attribute data type, attribute constraint, primary key, and relation between tables. There are three entities in Taman Legenda Melaka, which is boundary, shophouse, and root. This is a conceptual model. It has three entities in Taman Legenda Melaka. First is shophouse, second is road, and third is boundary. This is a logical model. In logical model, you have three attributes in each entities. For the shophouse is the attribute is activity, lot size, and shop name, and the boundary is area, state, location. For the road is name, types, and width. This is physical model. In physical model, it shows the table. For the shop house, the table is activity is restaurant, lot size is 6 meter times 20 meters, shop name is Brani Power, the boundary, state is Melaka, area is 25596.078, the location is Taman Legenda, for the road is name is Jalan Legenda 1, type is service road, and width is 40 feet. Delineation of the boundary for the selected case study. The reason that I choose the area sites because it is near in my location house and it's also easy to access this site. Moreover, this site is in business center zoning and the surrounding of the site is housing and public facility. The area of the site is 2.56 hectares. Build a GIS database. First is we must create a base map. In the create base map is click on map, after that click hybrid map and selected the location. Then click on spatial and click dimension line. Second to do is digitizing. Select one layer to edit, then use insert software to start digitizing the the graphical object. Click Map, click Insert, and pick the features that suit the layer that want to digitize. Then start digitize commercial using a polygon, road, and boundary using a polyline. Third is boot against database. For the boot against database is press table and pick the new table alternative. Then select connect to current mapper to boot a new table, then create. After designing, view the new table structure dialog box. Then complete the field information. Refer to physical model such as name, type, place. Then press create field information after compilation. And last is layout window, legend and title block. Click on new layout, then click on title block. Then set up the A3 page and save as workspace and save PDF. This shows that types of browser table and commercial area map. The first browser table is road browser table. Second is boundary browser table and shophouse browser table. GIS geospatial analysis. First is what does it? It is to analyze types of activity in site by using the thematic mapping. With this, it is easy to identify the activities in commercial. For the level 1 activity, based on the thematic map for level 1 is have more than 50% empty shop in this area. Second level 2 activity is based on the thematic map for level 2 activity only the first lane are full usage. Step to do thematic mapping. First is add theme. Select region in value default. Create map by choose table and click OK. As for GIS geospatial analysis is where does it locate? The site that I choose at Taman Lagenda Melaka Tengah Melaka. These sites are located in commercial zoning in town center and the area of site is 2.56 hectares. Most of the surrounding of sites are residential and it's easier for people who live in surrounding to go shopping or market. The local authority for this area is Majlis Bandar Melaka Sejarah (MBMB). For this analysis, radius of the area site is 1.0 km. Then, why does it happen? First is how many office in level 1? There are 4 office in level 1 activity. Second is how many boutiques in level 1? There are 4 boutiques in level 1 activity. And last is how many restaurants in level 1? There are 8 restaurants in level 1 activity. In conclusion, a Geographic Information System (GIS) is a data collection, management, and analysis framework. GIS, rooted in geographic science, incorporates several types of data. It analyzes spatial position and uses maps and to organize layers of information into visualization. GIS reveals deeper insights into data with the specific feature for helping users to make better decisions. Based on this case study, we can know the activities commercial in area of the site.